Hi guys, let's unboxing and review Oneplus 7T Pro Mclaren 5G smartphone. It is a global version smartphone. It supports all the language menus. Google applications include Google Play Store and global netcom connectivity. Okay, I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver the smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China. I will put B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We can make it global sending. If you want to make B2B business, you can contact with us. We can deliver the smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China. Okay, now let me unbox it and review the smartphone. The phone released on 2019 October. It is a 6.67-inch Fluid AMOLED display, 19.5 to 9 radio, full screen. It's from embed glasses are 6th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. 516 ppi density. Resolution is 3120 pixels by 1440 pixels. Okay, now let's turn it on. It supports DCI P3 100% and HDR10+. Its screen refresh rate is 90 Hz. Android 9.0 operating system. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus. Octa-core 2.96 GHz. Memory storage is 256 GB long, 12 GB RAM, UFS 3.0. Orange split color. We can enjoy the color. The phone has 4 cameras. Selfie front camera is motorized. Motorized point up. Here's selfie front camera. Motorized point up camera. 16 megapixel f2.0 aperture. Its main cameras are 48 megapixel f1.6 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture, 16 megapixel f2.2 depth picture with dual LED flashlight. The battery built-in is 4085 mAh battery built-in. Supports 5V 6A fast battery charging. Here are all the Google applications support. About the phone. Here are all the language menus it supports. Let's try its camera. 48 megapixel camera. We can see the details super clearly. And we can see its motorized point up from camera. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. The menu. Fast charger. 5V 6A fast charger, 30W. Cable, Type-C to USB cable. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages.